Hello, future entrepreneurs and map lovers. Just when you thought you had seen it all with YouTube SEO and SMS marketing, we've got something new, making money with Google Maps. Curious about how this everyday app can help you earn, even if you don't own a business? In the world of digital maps, Google Maps is more than just a tool for directions, it's a hidden opportunity for smart people like you. We're ready to show you how to turn your knowledge of maps into money, helping both you and others. Wondering where to start? Stay with us as we reveal everything from basic steps to smart tactics. Meet Taylor, who's just like you, eager to find out how to make money with Google Maps. Taylor's big question, how can I earn through Google Maps, is what we're going to answer today. If you're just getting started with Google Maps or you already know a lot, there's always more to learn. Press that subscribe button and join us in exploring the money-making side of Google Maps at Millionaire Ventures Online. Here, we turn digital opportunities into real earnings. Join us on this journey to unlock the potential of Google Maps. Today, we're exploring Google Maps in a new way. It's not just for finding places, it can help you earn money too. There are many ways to do this, like improving business profiles on Google My Business, learning about local SEO, and using Google Maps for data and ads. These options can work for anyone, whether you're new or experienced. Let's discover these money-making ideas together. With Google Maps, you don't have to focus only on local places. You can work with any business, anywhere. The tips we share work for all kinds of businesses, no matter where they are. Let's learn how to find and help businesses in different areas and niches. Setting up for success. Beginning your journey to earn with Google Maps starts with a solid understanding of the platform. Let's break down the steps. 1. Learning the ropes of Google Maps. Dive into Google Maps by exploring its various functions. Discover beginner-friendly tutorials on platforms like YouTube. By searching for Google Maps Basics or How to Use Google Maps, you can uncover videos that not only guide you through basic functionalities, but also offer insights into advanced features like location sharing, custom route creation, and using Google Maps for market research. 2. Understanding local business needs. Get to know what local businesses look for. A good starting point is visiting community forums or local business networking groups online. Sites like Reddit or local Facebook groups can give you insights into what businesses in your area need. 3. SEO basics for Google Maps. SEO, search engine optimization, is key for visibility on Google Maps. You don't need to be an expert right away. Begin with free online courses or resources like Mozcom or HubSpot Academy. These platforms provide comprehensive lessons on keyword optimization, local SEO strategies, and how to effectively use Google Maps for enhancing business visibility, attracting local traffic, and understanding the dynamics of online searches related to specific locations. 4. Google My Business Mastery. Create a free account on Google My Business. This is crucial for anyone looking to work with Google Maps. Utilize Google's free tutorial to learn not just the basics of Google My Business, but also gain valuable insights into creating compelling business listings, managing customer reviews, and using analytics to understand customer engagement. 5. Engaging with online communities. Participate in forums and online groups where you can learn from real-world experiences and case studies. These communities provide practical advice on leveraging Google Maps for business growth, share the latest trends in local SEO, and offer a platform for networking with digital marketing professionals. 6. Practical application. Try out what you've learned by practicing with a dummy business profile. Create a fictitious business and experiment with different SEO strategies. This hands-on approach helps solidify your learning. Creating your Google My Business profile. Helping others set up their Google My Business (GMB) profiles can be a great service to offer. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Step-by-step GMB setup guide. Start with Google's own Google My Business guide. It's a free resource that teaches you the nuts and bolts of setting up and optimizing a GMB profile. You can find it simply by searching Google My Business Guide on Google. 2. Identifying potential clients. Look for local businesses in your area that either don't have a GMB profile or have one that's incomplete. A simple Google search can help you identify these businesses. You can also walk around your neighborhood and note businesses that might need your help. 3. Crafting your offer. Develop a clear, straightforward pitch for your services. Highlight how a well-optimized GMB profile can attract more customers. Create a simple brochure or a digital presentation that outlines the benefits of having a complete and optimized GMB profile. For reaching out to businesses, contact these businesses directly. Start with a friendly email or a phone call. Offer to meet in person or have a virtual meeting to discuss how you can improve their online presence with a GMB profile. 5. Building your portfolio. As you start getting clients, create before and after examples of the GMB profiles you've worked on. This will be a powerful tool for showcasing your skills to future clients. 6. Continuing education. Keep yourself updated with the latest features and best practices for GMB. Enhance your skills by following blogs and subscribing to newsletters from digital marketing gurus. These resources often include advanced strategies for optimizing GMB profiles, insights into Google's algorithm updates, and tips on how to maximize online presence through effective digital marketing tactics. Local SEO mastery. To help businesses rank higher on Google Maps, offer local SEO services. Here's how. 1. Keyword research for local SEO. Use tools like Google's Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to find keywords relevant to local businesses. Look for phrases people use when searching for services in your area. For example, best coffee shop in your city. Incorporate these keywords into GMB profiles effectively. 2. Boosting Google reviews. Guide businesses on how to encourage their customers to leave reviews. You can create a simple instruction sheet or email template for businesses to send to their customers, asking for a review after a purchase or service. 3. Keeping up with SEO trends. Follow reputable SEO blogs and subscribe to newsletters. Websites like Search Engine Journal or Mozblog provide regular updates on the latest in SEO. They often have specific sections or posts dedicated to local SEO. Exploring Google Maps services. Expand your offerings with these Google Maps services. 1. Becoming a local guide. Sign up for the Google Local Guide program. Once you're a member, start creating unique local experiences or tours and promote them. Utilize social media or local travel forums to advertise your services. 2. Delivery route optimization. If you're familiar with local traffic patterns and shortcuts, offer this knowledge as a service. Small businesses with delivery services can greatly benefit from efficient routing. To learn more about effective route planning, check out online resources or courses on logistics and delivery optimization. Monetizing Google Maps data. To help businesses with Google Maps data, follow these steps. 1. Analyzing popular locations and traffic. Use Google Maps to identify popular areas and traffic trends in your city. Look for places with high foot traffic or busy times. Tools like Google Maps' Popular Times feature can be useful here. 2. Creating reports for businesses. Compile your findings into easy-to-understand reports. Highlight which areas are bustling and when suggesting optimal times for promotions or operations. You can use simple tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to organize and present your data. 3. Learning data analysis basics. To effectively analyze and present data, familiarize yourself with basic data analysis concepts. Platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy offer courses that delve into data analysis fundamentals, teaching you how to interpret and utilize data from Google Maps. These courses cover topics like data visualization, making sense of user behavior patterns, and using analytics to inform business strategies. 4. Marketing your service. Approach local businesses with your insights. Explain how this data can help them with marketing strategies or in choosing the best locations for new outlets or ads. Google Maps advertising. To provide Google Maps advertising services, here's a concise guide. 1. Mastering Google Ads. Enroll in online courses on Google Ads, which provide in-depth knowledge about setting up effective ad campaigns, targeting techniques, budget management, and analyzing ad performance to optimize for the best results. 2. Offering your services. Once you grasp Google Ads, approach local businesses. Explain how Google Maps advertising can increase their local visibility. Offer to manage their ad campaigns, targeting potential customers in the vicinity. By mastering Google Ads and helping local businesses to advertise on Google Maps, you can offer a valuable service while creating a new income stream. And that's your guide to making money with Google Maps, brought to you by Millionaire Ventures Online. Just like our explorations in YouTube SEO and SMS marketing, we've navigated the potential of Google Maps. See yourself as a digital entrepreneur, leveraging your map knowledge for financial gains. Excited to start your Google Maps journey? Hit subscribe for more ingenious strategies. Check our other videos for diverse digital earning methods. Each step brings you closer to your financial goals. Join our Millionaire Ventures online family and navigate your way to success. See you soon, and happy earning with Google Maps.